Hi, just making you a quick demo of something I made. Started last night. I heard somebody say that they wish they had a way to download all of their TikTok favorites. So I've got an Airtable, and what I've got is a Python program that will first launch a Chrome browser. It will then authenticate me so that I can use my Google Drive with the API, because I need an intermediary staging place for the videos. What the web version of TikTok allows you to do is download this file. What I'm going to do is watch for the file to get downloaded, then I'm going to upload it to Google Drive, and then Airtable, you need to know what address Airtable is basically pulling a file from. So let's just watch how this does its thing. All right, so it opened up my favorites and it added a download button on everything. Click download, and we should see that gets snatched. And then was the developer's video is up here. To that.